Hello, assalamu alaikum friend. Today we will discuss about that how we can use to WhatsApp, to Messenger, to Instagram in a one cell phone. So this is my how to learn channel. Do not forget to like, subscribe and give me one comment. So we are going to discuss in a one cell phone how we can use to WhatsApp, to Messenger and whatever else. So we have to go for a Play Store. So but for using this thing you need two numbers, okay, because you have to you have to put in the one number, and the second WhatsApp you have to put the second number. So this is a dual space multiple accounts and app loader. So it is last updated 31 October 2019. So but it will take a place. I have already installed this. So here is the detail. I am saying, yeah, I know. So I will start this add app here. So I will click here, then I will select any app. So I will clone, it will be cloning. So here is a WhatsApp. I need to on the Wi-Fi. So okay, leave this. So agree and continue. So I have to put any number, then I can use here easily WhatsApp. And you can see here is a WhatsApp, here is a Facebook as well as. So one more thing that which I want to tell you, here is a Facebook and here is a second Facebook. So it means two Facebook I can use in a one cell phone, and here is a one other WhatsApp. So here is a other one WhatsApp easily I can use, just I have to put the my number and whatever else, so I can use this. So I'm not showing the number, but here I'm using the already WhatsApp. You can see this, I'm using this already. So it's a very easy. So friend, do not forget to like, subscribe and press bell icon for any update. Thank you.